Yeah, hi guys. Hi guys. Today we learn about React.js task count number. So first thing first, we can create one folder which is React task. We open it with okay. You right click and show more options. Open with VS Code. Okay. Yeah. I already created three folders. Again, I created from initial npm create right latest our folder name can give this is our folder npm latest we can download from the npm. So now we can create the folder what we want count. Our folder name is like count. Okay, let's start. Next we can choose our react.js. Okay, click the up down arrow and react.js enter and javascript. Okay, then we can see here three commands are there. We can copy and paste, and this is our cd count which we can redirect to the, so I can show you like that. So cd means direct to the, okay na, direct to the our folder. Okay, count count. So now you can see here the react.js task which is his main folder. Okay, it's main folder. We have subfolder, right? Count. Then we can add like this. Okay, we have in subfolder react.js task and count. Okay, now install npm ir install whatever it may be. Okay, it installs the all dependencies of the projects. Okay, we can see here all the dependencies are downloaded. Okay, now we can see as well the node modules are downloaded. Okay, right, you can see here. Yeah, all are downloaded. Just now completed we our folder which is count number. Okay, let's we start run once we run the our project. We can command the command prompt is like npm run dev. Okay, just like enter, then control and click. So it redirect to the main page. This is the web pages. Okay, okay. I can show you one thing. Yeah, we can go to the app.js app. Now we can see here app.js. Here all the content it is comes with the by default with the React.js app when we downloaded it. Then we can remove all those things and H1 enter. We can see welcome to the React.js. Okay, you can see. Yeah, the app is successfully connected with our web page. Okay, now we can see the task which we will think about the count number. Okay, when we click the button, so I can show you in Node.js. Okay, Notepad. Sorry. So here we can see when I click button, clicks the button, then the number should be increased. Okay, the number should be increased. When I click the button here, the number should goes up, increasing by 1. Okay, increasing, increasing by 1. Okay, when I should click this button, the number should goes by increasing by 1. Again I create one button, another button which is button 2. Okay, when button 2 clicks, the number should goes was adding by 2. Okay, increasing, sorry, the spelling mistake, I'll leave it. Okay, increasing by 2. Okay. Again, I should create one button 3. Hmm? Then this time I will decrease the number. NUMBER number. Okay. Number -1. DCRE decreasing by 1 or 2. Anything else. Okay. Yeah. Now we can see we can create a number of buttons. Button 1, button 2, button 3. Okay. When I click the button 1 here, button 1, the number should goes increasing 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. Okay. When I click the button 2, the increasing goes like even numbers 2, 6, 4, 6, 8, like that 10, 12. Okay. When I click the third button, which is decreasing button, then goes to 1, 0, -1, -2, -3, like that. Yeah, we can see here. You should know when we clicking the buttons, it increasing and decreasing and adding by 2. When we get 0, we want 0, then what we will do? Okay, can create another button. Okay, it button 0. Okay, NUM be a number minus number. We can see which is we click the buttons more than 6 times. Okay, the number will be 12. Then I want 0. The number 12 want 0. Number, which is number. Okay. We have number here 12. 12 minus 12, how much? Yeah, absolutely 0. Right? Yeah. I can write here 12 minus 12 equal to 0. Okay. We can show this practical with the VS Code. Okay. Yeah. Here I remove all those things. I can create one new folder which is counting number counting num.jsx. Here JSX is nothing but JavaScript extension, sorry, React.js extension, which is JavaScript XML. Okay, here X is XML. Uh, X is like extensible markup language. Okay, JavaScript X. Okay, X is XML. XML is nothing but extensible markup language. We can use JS as well, but JSX is more than efficient. Okay, then JS. I created. Okay, sorry, this is folder, right? We can't write the like this. Okay, in folder I create one file which is count. When we creating files, we must and should start with capital letter. Okay, count number. This is camel casing. Okay, don't forget it. Uh, Without the camel casing or capital number, capital letter, which is first one, the React.js is not gonna take that particular. We gonna now as of now it's work, but when we pushing the code to the GitHub and deployment the code, then the error will throw. Okay, in that time we can get the errors most of the most of the cases. Okay, okay. Yeah, we can create one count num. Okay. Here we can see C const. Const. We know the variables, right? Three types of variables. First one is where let const. When we use const means when the const use the num or the value, the variable name is assigned when the same variable which we can assign another variable, so it can't take. Okay, it thrown error. Okay, that's why we're gonna use mostly in React.js is const. Okay, right. Yeah, this is our array which is count and comma set count. Okay, here I will explain those things equal to use state. Yes, the use state from React. Okay, the use state is imported from React. Okay, which is from library. Okay, it's automatically imported. Don't worry. Initially we kept 0. Okay, this is zero. Initially we kept zero. Okay, here set count means function. Here count means variable. Note it down. Set count means function and count means variable. I can write here. I will keep comment. COUNT count is variable and set set count is function. Okay. Okay. Then we can see here. Now we can create the button. Button, or else we can. Okay. Here we created one div as well. H1. We can create one H1 and we keep the H1 heading like uh, mm, counting the numbers. Counting the numbers. Okay. We see. Okay. 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 Yeah. We can see here when we created components like count number.jsx, then we will must and should we will import the particular component in our app.js. Without importing in our app.js, the component will not appear in the UI. Okay, we'll import the count number. Okay, which is our develop count number. We can see here when we type the count, we can see count number, your your path will come. Okay, enter, automatically imported. Okay, yeah, don't worry about that. Okay, we can see now. Yeah, counting the numbers, that's it. Yeah, next thing. Hmm? Next thing, mute button, enter, then increase, increase increase plus 1. Okay, yeah, here we can see some logic is there. When we click, when we are performing actions or buttons, we must know the events. Okay, on click event, on click event, on click. We can give a variable name. Okay, for example, increase, I will give the increase. Okay, yeah, when increase, this copy the increase and create one anonymous function like const increase, like that. Okay, yeah, here we can see now. Yeah, here we know the set count. We can copy and paste here, so don't worry about that. Hmm? Okay, yeah, with PRECOUNT previous count, enter, and previous count plus, sorry, previous count plus 1. Yeah, you can see now. Yeah, I can I can explain very clearly. Yeah, first thing first, we created like a use state, constant and function and variable. Okay, in that we keep the number as initially 0. Hmm? Next step is we created one button, we created one heading like counting the numbers, and then the number, next one is button. We created button. Uh, in button we keep the button name is like increase plus 1. Okay, yeah, you can see the highlighted. The button will highlight it. That call we can call as hover. Okay, yeah, we can create it one on click event which is increase. Yeah, which I which I provide increase. This increase I will provide as like a function name. Okay, when we call function name here, the function will call the set count here function. Okay, the set count will update it, then the set count will update the count in UA. Okay. Yeah. Listen carefully. Pre-count. Pre. Okay. Pre means previous. Okay. Like that. Yeah. This one is same. Okay. This is an NMOS function. Okay. Yeah. Pre-count equal to pre-count plus one. Okay. 0 plus 1 how much? Yeah. Here we can see when we are clicking the button, I can inspect you. Yeah. I can, yeah. See, when I clicking the button, the action is not performing. Okay. The action is not performing. Why? Because we are updating the function, but not return the count in UA. Okay. We can see the h2 command, h2 tag, sorry. We can destructure the h2 tag as like count count. Then we can see, yeah, initially we get it. We got it. When I click the button, right, that's it. When I clicking the button, the number will increase by one. Yeah. How it is right? Yeah. Yeah, we can write as well as like this also. I can show you easier way. Don't worry, don't confuse. Uh, yeah, count plus one. We can write as well and see how it is. Okay. The previous one is very clean and okay. Mm, right. Again, we can see one more thing. We saw here. We can I can open the notepad. Okay, which we will discuss in initial. Okay. Yeah, I created this one by number one. Yeah, this is keep like the completed. Next one, I created one button, another button two. Okay, button two. Here button. What we'll discuss increasing to INCREA, yes, increasing plus two. Okay. Next, we can create event. Okay, that's correct. Who are guessing? That's correct. Creating INCREA, yes, increase. Can see I given year as well increase. Okay. Yeah. There is no problem here. When I create a function like const INCREAS increase, yeah, it will throwing an error. Okay. Okay, here it is not a problem, but here we can see when we are using const, it's thrown an error. We can't see the our web page. Yeah, showing the error. Okay, like that when we are using constant, we must and should give the names. Okay, can give the name as increase to like that. Okay, simple. Next thing, same. What will create it here? We can copy and paste, or rather than we can write manual as well. Count previous count plus okay, sorry, uh, uh, equal to prev previous count plus 2. Okay. Yeah, we can see. Yeah, 2 plus 8 10 like that. That's it. You can see here 1 23. Again we can see 25. Okay. Yeah, like that we can create buttons. When we click the buttons, the number will increase. We can see we can create a button 3 as well. Okay. Okay. can print button 3 as well. I can show you. We did button. This is the decrease. The decrease button. Okay, decrease button, right? D-C-R-E-S, decrease. Okay, like that we can on click function. You must copy the whatever you written in the button. Why I'm copying is like when I writing manually, then the spelling mistakes. Uh, is, okay, okay. When I miss E, then the it should not work. Like that, I will copying this. Okay, okay. No need to worry about that. Okay. Set count this function, right? We can keep previous count arrow previous count minus minus 1. Yeah, we can create like that. How it is simple. Yeah, we can keep the number 0. Yeah, this is the last step. 0. Same on click function. On click function, we keep 0 as function name. 0. Same like that. We can copy this one, no problem. We keep decrease as 0. Yeah, okay. Minus previous count. Like that. Like that. Okay. We can create as well what we call, okay, can create a CSS as well. CLA class name, count. Mm, we can create CSS file here. COUNT count dot CSS. Okay, we must import the CSS file in our app.jsx. It is a must thing. Okay, yeah, you can copy this one and paste here dot css. Okay, when we write dot count is display flex. See, like that. Can see. Okay, flex direction column. No need to write all those things. It's properly structured. You can write only button. Background colors and see yellow color black. Hmm. Sorry. This when we use gap without display flex, it can't gonna work. Okay, display flex. Can see how it's looking. Okay. Then we can write a justify content. Sorry, flex direction column. It's flex direction row. It's already in column, right? Mm, it's not working. Flex direction column. Justify contents and okay, we can give in gap 30 pixels. Not applying. Why? It's applying, right? Then we can remove it. Okay. As of now, we can remove that one. Yeah, like that. See, increasing by 2, decreasing 0. Okay. Thank you guys. I hope you learn much better. Okay. With this video. Okay. Any doubts, you can contact the Babu sir. Uh, I hope the Babu sir contact in your mobile. Okay. Thank you guys. Thank you.